Alright, so here I want to potentially buy. I'm looking for a buying setup. If we break in that line, I think I'm gonna buy. If not, I'm just gonna wait for a potential retracement for potentially here or here. So if we have a retracement, I want to wait for this zone. So here's my order this morning. I've buy this. It's a little scalp. Quick in, quick out. That's it. One trade. Normally I didn't trade in the morning, but yeah. So this so we also have something interesting, I think, just simply here. Just gonna mark this up. If we can swipe this zone or this one, interest for a buy setup. All right, so maybe we have something nice at this zone. I'm gonna look for this candle. I'm gonna put a buy order here, a buy stop. With a tight stop loss. Okay. The small risk, small stop loss. All right, I'm in. I'm gonna buy. So yeah, pretty much the same setup than yesterday. We made good profits on that one, so maybe it's gonna play out pretty well. Let's just see. We have a nice rejections on the 5-minute time frame of this zone. That's a simple support level. It can be more simple as this. It's really just a support zone on the 5 minutes. and we have a really good reaction for the moment. Look at the 2-minute time frame. Pretty beautiful. The candle close in 10 seconds. Let's see. Okay. Okay, the close is pretty nice. But on the 2 minutes time frame, we never know. So just gonna wait with the stop loss at the same place. I didn't touch it for the moment. It's not a big risk anyway. Just because I'm pretty tight. Like we have what? Like 1.8 points stop loss on gold. So it's really, really tight. Not even 2 point stop loss. Not a big deal if we lose it. But for now, it's looking really good. Let's go. Yeah, so another close on a 2 minute time frame. Just looking pretty normal. Nothing bad. But the 5-minute close is pretty nice too. Happens like 2 minutes ago. Look. So normally that's just show this candle just show we have a lot of buyers coming in, so it should just pump maybe higher than this point. So first trade for this session, one trade this morning, and it's played pretty well, so already in profits for the day. And that's the first trade for the session. I'm going break even. So now it's a no risk trade. Okay, first trade already at break even. Okay, so we have a potential resistance at 839. Oh my god. Wi-Fi, I think. I'm just gonna remove my stop loss below. Just because I don't want to just be weak out. Just see how this candle react to the zone for the second time now. Okay, now I'm chilling just because I don't very like the 5-minute time frame. So I'm back break even. Okay, out. I'm out. So no losses. Not bad. Not bad. Not there. So watch this zone for maybe another buy. I'm gonna try a second time pretty soon. If we have a nice rejections, I'm gonna take it by just a little bit higher. Not a big deal. But maybe we're going lower for these zones. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go a little bit lower. Maybe here. I want to try a short. It's not something I really want to do normally, but I really think we're gonna drop to that zone, maybe that one. So I will simply target a real quick scalp just for this zone. Tight stop loss, so 1.5 points on gold. Nothing crazy. If we have that rejections, I'm gonna look for a buy. So for now, I'm in my second trade. The first one it's a buy, finish at break even. This one I want to try a short just to this level. Okay. Maybe just a quick profit here. That's not like a 20-point setup, 30-point setup. Okay. Just want a quick profit for this one. Like anywhere like for 5 to 15 points max. Really a tight setup. Let's go, let's go. They are pretty well. Best scenario, this short will go at 4820. 4820. Equals for like a. Okay, there. 13 points. 14 point stop loss. Stop loss take profit. Excuse me. Not bad. Let's call. I'm going break even now. Just because it's a big reversal trade, so don't want to risk on this. If we have a nice bullish candle, I'm just gonna re-enter for a buy. Maybe okay. I'll break even for the second trade. I'm gonna put a buy order here for the third trade. Already. So look, we've touched these lows here. So I can potentially buy. I'm gonna put stops below. No way, it's just weak me out and dumping. No way. Fuck. No way. No way it's there. Well. So we have to take out these lows. I'm gonna put a buy order just above the actual candle. All right. I have a buy order here. But I just gonna remove it. What I said like 2 days ago. Just be aware with your break-even order. Sometimes it's just really not good. We've missed on good profit just for a break-even. Okay. That one's finished. Two. Now we're looking for these zones. This one and this one. At least we don't have stop loss for the moment, only break evens, so that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for the close of this candle, this 2-minute candle in 20 seconds. If we have a nice close, I'm gonna buy the other candle. 10 seconds. I have a buy order. Gonna be in soon. Okay, I'm in. So I've made a little bit of profit this morning. I'm just gonna put more risk tonight. So we have a solid resistance zone right here where we are now, and here where I marked this line. I'm gonna look this zone for step out of the trade. For the moment, it's my stop loss or this zone, so it's pretty much a one-to-one reward. I know it's not crazy, but sometimes just work better in scalp. Don't apply this on swing trading, of course. Don't think it's gonna be profitable, but in scalping one-to-one can work in the long term. Maybe I'm just gonna take partials like for at these zones and let runner play. So currently I have a 56% win rate. Not bad for the month. It's not bad for a scalping. %56 win rate with 1.7 average. Oh no, profit factor, excuse me, for average of 2.2 my risk. So if I risk 1k, I'm gonna make 2.2k in average. That's good too. I only have one red day on the month. The rest of the days are green. And we have some big days. It's looking good. Don't think I'm gonna chase big profits tonight just because I just have a good trade this morning, and usually I just don't trade in the morning, so it's basically free money. So that's why. What the fuck is this 2-minute candle? That just suck. Honestly, that suck. Fuck it, man. Oh my. Fucking shit price action tonight for the moment. Maybe 8:30 gonna be better. 9. But usually I finish my sessions before 9. Pretty close to stop me out. Let's just see. If I have a stop loss here, I'm gonna be break even on the day. Just because I have a trade this morning, pay out pretty well. Stopped out pretty soon, I think. We'll close in 3 seconds. Oh, I'm going to get stopped out for sure on this one.
We will get you 1 million views or you don't pay. And if you give me 15 seconds, I'll explain exactly how this works. First, we build a tailored...
Maybe that, man. Let's see. If I get stopped out, I'm just gonna check for a buy if we swipe that zone. Don't think we're gonna go on that one, so I'm just gonna remove it. Just really don't see a big dump for live. Okay. The trade is back to pretty much break even. Weird price action in the 5 minutes. We have a 15-minute candle close. Looking good. Maybe a little bit in an indecision candle. Oh my god, what the fuck is that price action? That's gonna be potentially the first loss for the entire day. Yeah. Oh my. It's a shit price action. So we have a solid zone here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch on it. That's the zone we're currently holding, but it's gonna break pretty soon. I honestly think he's gonna wipe out this zone and have to make the move I want. I'm gonna try to move for a last time and just see. After this one's gonna be my last trade, that's for sure. So yeah. Top loss. Little bit in the red for the all the day. include this morning. Okay, I'm on a buy. Okay, so now I have a tight entry. Just cause maybe I want to retry a buy later if we have a shitty price actions till 8:45-9. So I've just entry tight to not lose a lot of money and be able to re-enter later, potentially.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together.
So it looked like a mess, but it's not that bad. 1 break even, 2 break even, 3 break even, stop loss / break even for the day, including my morning trade. And now I'm on a buy positions. Yeah, it's really a shitty price action tonight. Maybe I'm just gonna take a small red day and that's it. Stop loss. So now I'm ready for the day. Officially ready for the day. Okay, so I'm on the last trade for this session. Definitely the last one for sure. Just because I don't know what I'm gonna do if I have another stop loss. I didn't see another play. So yeah, just gonna wait for tomorrow to make a lot more. I have a nice zone here. These supports want to work. Let's see, but yeah, last trade for the sessions. So maybe it's gonna be a red day. Just gonna come back stronger tomorrow. That's not a problem. I've seen this probably thousands time. Red day is not even a problem. Red week starting to be a problem. Maybe a little bit more stressful, but never a month in the red since I trade profitably. Never been in months. But I always have a couple red days in a month. Always. I've never done a 100% win days month. I've never doing this. Look at just check that guy, okay? That guy who I've learned from. I just think it's the best day trader, scalp trader out here. It's just a real one. Let me just write that name. Oh yeah, this guy. Guard. Man, this guy's a fucking legend. It's one of the best traders on the entire world. You have a book. You probably already read his book, but it's this guy. This guy's just crazy good trader. Can make like thousands of percent returns. He's just so good. And he's scalp, no indicators, nothing, just price actions. I've learned a lot of this guy. He's also a great trader on the psychology parts. He has like a couple YouTube video for this. Not YouTube videos, live events like this. And if you want to learn free from him, that's what I do. You can check his old streaming videos, and with like 10, 20, 30 videos, you're gonna be able to trade pretty much like him. Look, really trade. Oh, yeah, like this. You trade on the 5 minute, 2 minutes time frame. No indicators, no nothings. Just simple. I think each year's he just deposit like 100k in a broker and trade it as far as he can. Yeah, this guy. Take a look at this guy. Always in the buy. They are pretty soon. The support zone seems to work. Let's see if we can make a comeback now or if it's gonna be tomorrow. We have a little bull flag formations, but it's not a clear one, and it's on a downtrend on the 2 minutes, so that's not a bull flag I want to trade. I want to trade bull flags when we have a first good momentum and a little retracement, not this. That's not my typical bull flag. Just not gonna mark up this one. Good example. Yeah, so like this one, I pretty much like it. So we have our first impulse, our first move, and look, we have a bull flag here. We have a bull flag here. So it's always nice buys. But I want my first move. That's why I don't like this one. Because we don't have a first move. We're on the downtrend. On the 2 minutes time frame, of course. Not on the swing. But yeah, that's an example. We have a lot of bull flag on gold these times. So first little move, that one's a little move. So maybe it's not clear on real time, but the bull is clear. Okay, that's a really nice bull flag. Oh, that one I take it. So look, I think it's 2 days before I take that one. So you have the first move, tracements, bull flag, boom. I made profit of this one. Not complicated, guys. Look at it. Simple bull flag. You can add on that like supply and demand and that's powerful. So I have a lot of knowledge in supply and demand on the low time frame, but honestly I'm trash on the 4 hour daily time frame for supply and demand. Only in the short term I'm pretty good at it, so I have knowledge there. I have knowledge on candle price action and support resistance, just because I've traded also swing before with fundamentals, so I know a lot of support resistant things and a little bit of fundamentals, but
On base
pretty much
44.
don't like it. That's why I scalp these days.
One thought,
What I've done too,
more thought.
I've tried pretty much everything in the past, like trading only with trend lines on like the 1 hour, 4 hour,
Bring him in.
pretty much everything you've seen on YouTube,
Okay.
except ICT.
Create something smarter. Something powerful. Style counts, so give it your touch. Big,
I think it, by the way, ICT, it's
small.
I think it can work,
Next idea hits at 2 a.m.
but
Of course it does.
just not for me, man. I just didn't like the concept and everything.
Damn right. Base 44.
I just think yeah, I've taken like simple setups and put words on it just to look more sophisticated, but it's not. That's the only reason I didn't do ICT. So the price is really slow. Honestly, if we take a loss here, I'm just gonna stop trading for today and make a comeback tomorrow. I'm coming back. Yeah, so I'm on the buy positions, just waiting. Been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 candle of 2 minutes, so pretty much 15 minutes on the trade now. It's not even moving. Crazy shit price action tonight, not gonna lie. But that's a great low. This support's pretty strong. Let's just see. We have a small bull flag formation here, just because I have my first move. That candle would count for my first move. We have a little bull flag formation. I want to see a breakout of this one. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a stop loss for sure. If we didn't break out this bull. Okay, so we think we have that breakout. Just have to wait for candle close, always. Otherwise, it's not a breakout. It can just be a fake out. We always want a candle close. We have one in 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so bull flag has been confirmed. That's looking pretty good for now.
Ce printemps, chez NextGen Trader, on est fiers de vous offrir plus de 1000
We have a good breakout for now. Really good. Close in 10 seconds. I want to close above this close. That will be perfect. Let's go. So we have a close above this. That's cool. In 2 minutes, we have the 9 hour. Sometimes 9 hour, the 9 hour candle hit really hard. I'm just gonna get my stop loss to break even for the 9 hour candle. Now I'm risk free. I'm pretty much break even for the day slash a little bit in the red. Just because of my win this morning. Otherwise, I will be red. So break even on that one. Let's just see. We have nice breakout. $15 for the 9 hour candle. A lot of momentum, a lot of volatility sometimes at 9 hour. We just can see now we always have more volume. A little bit before the 9 and after. The 5 minutes looking really, really insane. If we can close. Okay, so 5 seconds for the 9 hours. Now we have the 9 hours candle moving pretty fast. Compare. Looking good. Now to target higher on this one just to make a good profits. Now I'm a little bit red, close to break even for the day, the entire day. Okay, so that's not good. Maybe I'm just gonna close that little profit just to be in green for the day. It's not gonna be a big day, like it's not gonna be a 10-15k day, but I mean, we take what we have. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. God damn. Oh my. Okay, so I'm in profits for the day. Just a small one, but at least it's not a red day, at least. Thinking of potentially taking a quick scalp here. Oh my god. What a spike.
Depends on what you choose to do today. The Hanwha Canadian patrol submarine can be delivered first, creating new jobs, new partnerships, and enduring economic benefits.
I think I'm just gonna try a quick scalp. Now I'm in. Okay, oh my. I just want to put that on break even. Okay, so I'm on break even on that one. I'm gonna close a little bit of profit. Come on, just a little bit higher. Ah, fuck it. Let's go. Come on. We just want a small profit here, guys. We're already green for the sessions for the day. Just want a quick profit. Come on. Nope. Gonna be a break even potentially. Oh, let's go. No. Come on. Just want a nice push. Fuck. Break even. Oh, what a fucking session. We have a weird price action tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna finish that here just because I'm in profit for the sessions and for the day, including my trade this morning, and I don't want to risk a stupid trade with that price action. Yeah, okay, nothing to do anymore with that. Okay, so good night and another green day.